Today, I'll show you how to restore old and blurry photos for free in just a few simple steps. I'm going to use this old and blurry baby photo of myself as an example. As you can see, most parts of the image aren't very clear. The photo is blurry, low quality, and even in black and white, but I want to restore it, enhance the details, and bring it back in color. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, navigate to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, click on the plus icon, then select Upload Files to upload the old and blurry photo. I'll locate the image on my computer, select it, and upload it. Great. Now that the image is attached, we need to tell Gemini AI exactly what we want it to do. Since we want the photo refined and restored, we'll use a specific prompt to guide the AI. I've already included the prompt in the video description. Simply copy the prompt from there and paste it here along with the uploaded image. Once that's done, click Submit and wait for Gemini AI to process the photo. This may take a few minutes, so just be patient. All right, it's done. And as you can see, the photo has been beautifully restored in just a few steps. Gemini AI did an amazing job enhancing the clarity, improving the quality, restoring details, and even adding natural-looking color while keeping the original features intact. Let's go ahead and download the restored image. Great. Now I'll open the old version and the restored version side by side. Perfect. You can clearly see the difference. This is a huge improvement. And that's it. You've successfully restored an old, blurry photo in high quality, completely free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tips and tutorials.